It's moving. See? It's doing that on its own. I'm not pressing anything, look. Look. On its own, it's doing that. That's insane. I think my trigger is kind of busted by the board because it doesn't want to turn on when I hold the button. The only thing it does that the light shows, and that's it. But dang, it's doing that on its own. Now you might be thinking, well, it's fried. It's actually not. When I opened this guy up, the terminals were clean. Like clean. Like brand new clean. I checked inside of this, I opened this thing up, it was clean. I don't know what's happening. I replaced a capacitor, which I thought was the problem, which it wasn't because it still acted the exact same way. I held down the button, nothing worked. Also, the light blown on this because I held it for too long and it went. Well, it blew when I was at school. Look, it's moving. Like on its own, it's moving. Like I'm not even pressing anything. Look. You can hear it. Look. If you listen very closely, you can hear it. Hold up. Do you hear it? It's very, very faint, but you can hear it. I don't know what's going on. If anyone in the comments below can tell me what's going on, tell me. Because it's doing this on its own. Wait, hold on. What if I press this button? Whoa. Now the light is just on. Like, look, I'm not even pressing anything. Whoa. What the? Well, something's playing. Here, look. That's so weird. Oh my god, what's happening to my camera? Hold up. Putting it down. It's still making a sound, but it's like very faint. Hold up. I don't know what's going on with this guy. Hopefully I can get like a very busted version of this, but it's blue. You might be wondering why specifically blue. And I don't know, I just want one that's blue. Then I can use that for parts. And if the board works, like when I press it, like instantly, when I press the button like that, it turns on the vehicle. Then I'll switch out the board, like that one, like right there. No, not this one. I don't think this one's the problem. It's probably this one right here. Look, it's affecting these lights. Whoa. I don't know if you can see it. Hold up. Just look at that part. Or it was making sound. It's making a sound, but it's very faint. I hope that light doesn't burn out. But still. Look. It's making the sound when I turn it on. Oh. Also, since this is happening, I guess I can tell you guys what I've been doing with this guy. Actually, now I'll tell you guys when I get this thing working. I think the board is the problem. Maybe. But if that's the case, then I don't know. Why does it look so brand new? Like the board looks fresh. Oh. I don't know, man. I've been wanting this turbo for a long time, like with this color and everything all good and all. But I hate how it doesn't work. Like when I first got it, it just didn't work at all, no matter how long I held the button. But hopefully one day I come across a turbo like this, but it's like all busted up. Like the turbos are ripped off, the engine doesn't work. But what does work is the sound, lights, and the board. Like instantly when I press that button, it instantly turns on. I'm switching the board because I think that's the problem. This board right here, that's the problem right here. Well, it's not really doing anything interesting.